Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to reset your WordPress website in Hostinger. So let's get started. So this is our website that we are going to reset to default. So at first we are going to log into our WordPress dashboard. So one of the easy ways to log into our WordPress website dashboard is from the Hostinger Hpanel. So we are going to log into our Hostinger Hpanel, and then from the top we are going to click on websites. And here it will show us all the websites that are available on our web hosting. Now below the website we are going to see an edit website button. So we are going to click on this edit website button, and this will take us to our WordPress website dashboard. Now from the WordPress dashboard we are going to install a plugin. So from the left menu we are going to hover over plugins menu and then click on add new. Now here we are going to search for reset, and we are going to install this first plugin, WP Reset. So click on install now. Once the plugin is installed, just click on activate. And as you can see that our plugin is now installed and activated. So now from the left menu, we are going to hover over tools and then click on WP Reset. And here it will show us all the reset options and instructions. We are going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and here we will see a section site reset, and here we need to type reset and then click on reset site. It will show us a confirmation message. We are going to click on reset WordPress, and it will start resetting our website. And here you will see a notice site has been successfully reset to default settings. So now if I visit my website, and here you can see that our website is reset to default. So this was our previous website and we have reset it to default. So this is how you can reset your WordPress website in Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.